Number one, product pages. You need rich product pages that need to include rich description, 4+ images, 3D product model if you can, reason to buy and why buy your product, all the service information. So you need to provide clear statement of free shipping, free return, and customer care option, warranties, etc. If you're not having like a big team for this content, you can also use AI, generative AI, to help you with this. And subscribe to the channel, there is a video on this coming very soon. Product pages can count up to 20% conversion rate. Second is navigation and filters. Can I find your most important product? Your high revenue product, your high potential product should be at the top of your navigation and easily found on your store. So your navigation needs to represent your product offer strategy correctly. Second, it must be tailored for your strategy. And I mean that if you're going like vertical on specific product, you should have a navigation or no navigation at all, or something that will drill you down directly vertical to your key elements and key products. If you want to be positioned as a small brand, as a category killer, your navigation should reflect perfectly like all your use cases, your strategy in becoming the best in your category. So you need to kill the use cases using correctly filters and labels. So I need to find very easily if I'm looking for size, if I'm looking for color, if I'm looking for specific materials, sustainable products. Based on your strategy and your customer use cases and where you're positioning, you really need to nail down and kill the filters and labels. 30% of sales depend on this. So one of the main features you need to configure correctly on your store. Third, checkout. Quick and secure checkout can count up to 25% conversion rates. Include all the options that are becoming more popular like Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit cards, PayPal, Amazon Pay, and you need to include them as a quick and fast checkout experience. You need to include guest checkout in your store. And all of this should be correctly communicated with small labels like we do have this payment option with the right icons, usually in the footer. Sometimes you put it inside the product pages. And if you can also offer services like for split payment, Klarna or Scala Pay option like that, it's more easy to buy on your store. Fourth, recommendation. So this feature can count up to 50% average order value. And what is a recommendation? So the correct use inside the product pages of like carousel, recommending other product with the concept of upselling, cross-selling, related products, alternative product, comparable product, other people buy, we do recommend also. So with different concepts. So you need to figure out which are the most important for your store and your customer and really nail them down. So you can also focus on providing different packaging of your offer. And by this, I mean like I can sell my product in kits, like different product bundled together, or you can buy free, pay two. So these options should be also well represented inside the product pages, so I can understand that I can find convenience in your store easily. So you can apply this to product pages, listings, editorial pages, landing pages. So you can use recommendation also inside your cart and your checkout experience. You can also use, and I do really recommend to use AI to provide this kind of feature inside your store. And you can use Clerk, Algolia, DoFinder, or other tools like this, like Shopify has its own AI feature for recommendation. So using these, you can access like different algorithms to use recommendation based on the product you're currently like viewing on the page, and the other products suggested will be correctly related to this based on categories, based on performance, trending, bestsellers, so it will be also more convenient for you. If you haven't, you should subscribe to the channel and submit your website on my website, so I every month I do pick some of the website and I roast them, making a review specific for feature strategy. It's a very good chance to get a review from me specific for your store. Let's keep rolling to the 5th feature, so assisted conversion. And more specifically, you need to have a cart recovery funnel. What is that? It's a funnel of email. Usually you do have like 3 steps. One email will come to you the same day you left an item on the cart of your store by saying something like, we saved your cart for you. And then you have like other 2 steps. The first day, the day after, and after like 96 hours. And the best strategy is to change the call to action. So like the first one, it could be like, we saved your cart. The second could be, we can assist with the purchase. Can we help you? Let's get in touch. And the third is, we have an offer for you. So you provide an additional coupon and discount code on the third email. This, well done, can recover up to 30-40% of your lost and abandoned cart. And it's a lot. Feature number 6. Mobile design or being mobile first. 50% of mobile sales depend on the quality of your mobile design and mobile UI and user experience. So first, focus on your product pages. Product configurator. So I need to be really able to discover your product page correctly with a specific UI for mobile. And the product configurator, meaning I'm selecting the size, the color. I should have a size guide which is mobile friendly, add to cart, and this consequent funnel from product page, configuring the product, and cart and checkout experience should really be seamless, very easy and clean, no bug, no strange UI. You will lose the trust, you will lose the customer if it's not well done for mobile. 80% of the customer now come and discover your store from mobile. Then maybe sometime if they're satisfied, they go purchase to the desktop if it's like an important purchase with a high budget, but mobile is absolutely the king. Second focus are listing filters and navigation should be perfectly mobile friendly. And third, of course, focus also on your editorial pages and landing pages, like a home page, for example. Feature number 7, merchandising and ordering. Like navigation, like merchandising and ordering your products should really fit your strategy, your offer, and your customer use cases. If it's not well designed, the customer will be lost. You need to find the most important product first. You need to have some kind of rule, for example, to move the out of stock product to the bottom or to hide them. You need to have, if you can, an algorithm doing that for you. So you can use AI to do the merchandising for you and to make it performance driven. So the best selling product, the trending product, or the recommended product for your user are ordered to be at the top. So this has a very important impact, also up to 20% conversion rate if it's well done and well designed for your strategy and for your customers. Feature number 8 is search. Search is so important and must be well designed and supported from your website for your customer use cases. If you're selling bags, if I'm searching bags on your website, it should be really a killer search. I can search your bags by writing bags in the wrong way. You should consider typos, synonymous, all the other attributes. So I can search leather bag size L for going to the office. This should work. So try and test correctly your search. I suggest you to use AI. You can choose from like Clerk, Algolia, DoFinder, and other services like that. If you really want to understand more about search and how it can kill or make sales on your website, check out this video. Let's go fix what you're missing and make your tech sell more.